Hey, it's Gina from WTI. My favorite thing about these REFRESH RELIEVA eye drops is that I can put them in my eyes when I already have contacts in. I've been wearing contacts since I was in my teens, but lately I've been having an issue with dry eyes. And for some reason, especially my left eye will get kind of cloudy and itchy and dry by the end of the day. And I found that these drops are so comforting. These are lubricating eye drops, so I love that when I put them in my eyes, they don't sting for one. They just feel really comforting, and it makes it feel like my eye is no longer sticking to my contact or my eyelid, and it clears up the contact. And I just really love that and need it because that means that I don't have to take my contacts out and wear my glasses. Of course, having it in a small bottle is just really convenient. I can put it in my purse and just pull it out whenever I need to and add a couple drops to my eyes, and then I have that instant satisfaction of being able to see clearly and not have that itchy or dryness. If I have my contacts in, I do not leave home without these eye drops. They've been perfect for what I need, and that's my point of view.